Welcome to the episode 2 of Painting from the Reference. Today I got these beautiful pastel acrylics in collaboration with the brand Brustro. The name itself is enough to describe the quality, right? I am going to use this set only. Additionally, I'll use black color and that's all. So this is what we are going to paint today. The first step is to have a pastel background. So I'm just blending the different shades here and I'm using the direct blending technique. Get the beautiful background, you can see the soft background. The shades I'm using here is lavender, cornflower blue, teal, mint green and lime green. Now the second step is to paint the cloud. I'll be using the dry brush technique which I mainly use. I'm using the peach shade for the base layer and for the shadows I'll be using coral and bubblegum pink just to add some sort of a depth you can say, or shadows. Yeah, just look at these gorgeous shades. Oh my god, I must say they are way too pretty and I'm so in love with them. Lastly, we just have to add a few bushes and tiny leaves as you can see in the picture. And with that, we are done with our artwork.